Watch me refill my flame diffuser. Fill it with water, my favorite fragrance. This diffuser lasts for hours and makes my room smell amazing.